my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name's Ali and I'm a mum of 4. We live by the sea in Wales and I share all sorts of videos on here about our day-to-day life, cleaning, what I'm buying, what I'm cooking, that kind of thing. And today is like a unboxing haul type video. I think I've done one of these before. It's a brand called Lookerio. I never know how to say anything. But basically you get an online personal shopper and you give them some sort of like idea of what kind of things you like, your style, your size. You can show them your Instagram account and they will pick a few items of clothing for you, and then you get sent them and you get to try them on in your own home, see if you like them. If you don't like them, you can return them all. If you do like them, I think if you keep them all you get 25% off, or you can just keep what you want basically. It's really, really flexible. I used it once before and I was feeling a bit uninspired with clothes shopping lately, so that's why I thought I would do it again. And I think they sent me a code. I think I've got a referral code. I'll pop it down below if you're interested in trying it out. Basically, if you use a code, there's like no fee, and so it's just worth a try. So I'm going to show you what I got. I haven't opened it yet, so I haven't seen what I've got. And they give you 5 days, I think, to check out, and I'm probably on my 5th day, so there you go, opening. I'll show you everything now, and then I'll show you what they look like on, because obviously that makes a difference. It's all wrapped in tissue paper, which makes me happy. So the first thing is a black t-shirt. It's just a plain black t-shirt, V-neck. It's got a little puff sleeve. I like things with sleeves at the moment, so I'm a bit conscious about my upper arms. So that might be really good for like casual stuff. It looks quite oversized, so I'll try that one on. Oh, this looks like a dress. I did ask for a dress. That's quite nice, isn't it? Like a neutral beige colour. It's always brands that I've sort of, or designers that I've never heard of. So this is Only Blue Denim. Don't know, haven't heard of them. It's European, I think. But yeah, that looks nice. So as long as that looks nice on, I will be happy with that. It's quite a thick fabric. It's nice. Oh, a denim jacket. I do love a denim jacket in the summer, and I've only got a blue one, so this one hopefully will be really good if it looks nice. Again, it's always like, oh, Vero Moda, I've heard of that. I am no designer shopper. Yeah, just a plain black denim jacket. So what they like to do is sort of give you things that would go with each other, so I could see how that would go with the t-shirt and how that would go with that dress. Oh, I did ask for jeans. Oh, I hope these fit. Skinny jeans. Blue skinny jeans. They're really soft and stretchy. They feel lovely actually. Again, this is the Only brand. Got a little bit of ripped detailing there. Hopefully they fit. You know what jeans are like. You can't tell until you put them on, but I love the feel of them. The last thing is, oh, baggy trousers. I absolutely love baggy trousers. I call them Aladdin pants. My kids hate them. This is a brand called Nude Atelier. I quite like those actually. So we will see what they look like on. It's quite hard to see them, I think, on the camera there. They're kind of like blacky, reddy, browny. I'm going to try them all on and show you. So in the box it comes with a bag, which is pre-labelled, so you can send anything back. It's super easy to do. When you've got kids, it's so much easier just to try things on in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to wrangle children in the changing rooms, or work out where to put the pushchair, or worry about them screaming. So yeah, I really like this type of shopping. So in here you get a little letter from your personal shopper, Hello Alina, I hope you're well. My name is Jordan and I'll be your new personal shopper. I obviously had a different one my last order. I started off by picking wide leg trousers from Nude Italia, as this was a key piece that you were looking for. Style them with the black v-neck t-shirt from Frequent, which will be really flattering on your cleavage, and finish with your nude denim jacket from Vera Moda and a pair of sandals. I then chose the jeans from Only. The lighter wash will be great for spring summer. Pair them with the nude button down top from your photo. This must be a photo that I'd uploaded or put on Instagram. And finish with your new denim jacket and some sandals for the perfect cool and casual look. And finally, I chose the beige dress from Only. The loose silhouette will complement your figure nicely, as the v-neck will nicely accentuate your chest area and flow over your stomach. That was one of the things I said, I wanted things to sort of like cover my stomach. Wear it with your black denim jacket and some wedges for an effortlessly chic outfit. So that's really nice. They sort of tell you how to style things and stuff. And in terms of pricing, so the skinny jeans were £38, the dress was £35, the wide leg trousers were £44.99, denim jacket was £32 and the t-shirt was £29.95. So altogether it was £179.94. I had a credit voucher of £5 that came off, and then they charge you the styling fee, so that was £10. You get that back if you buy at least one thing. And then I had 25% discount if I buy them all. So that would take the whole total for everything down to £122.46. So yeah, I think £122 for all of that is actually really reasonable. But we'll see what I want to keep. And then how cute is this? They give you a little styling booklet. It's got my name on it. So it's all little cards with sort of outfit ideas based on what I got. So it's showing you how to style the jeans, how to style the jacket. What I also like, and I've just noticed, is that they've included some of the bits that I got before, which was in the winter. But I had that dress, that cardigan. So they already know I've got that in my wardrobe, which is cute, isn't it? I actually really like some of the other stuff on here. But yeah, if you're not very good at like styling up your outfits, this is really, really useful. I actually really like that dress as well, the blue dress. Yeah, so I think you can probably pop on to their website and you can buy the individual pieces if you want to. So I might take a look at that actually. Or what I would do is I would go on Vinted and see if I can find anything similar. But yeah, I'm going to show you what all this looks like on now. Fingers crossed I like it all, because I really want to keep it. So, doing my little try on. The jeans are absolutely gorgeous. They fit perfectly, which I'm so happy about because they're so soft and lovely and stretchy, so I know that they're going to be comfortable. So I really like those. This t-shirt, I don't know, jury's out. I'm not sure about it. It's just a little bit too big, but looking at myself on camera it looks okay. It's quite expensive for a t-shirt. Was it £30? I didn't notice before, but the jeans got this little edging. Oh, but I'm totally in love with the jeans. The jeans are definitely to keep. Yeah, I just don't know if I feel a bit like a sack of spuds in the t-shirt. Oh. This is the denim jacket, which is a bit oversized, but that's not a bad thing. I mean, I wouldn't wear it with a black t-shirt. It's a bit boxier than like my usual style. But I don't hate it. And it might be like quite a good staple, you know, from the wardrobe. I'm going to try it on with something else to see what I think. So these are the wide leg trousers, which are super comfy, and I kind of like the way they look like a skirt, but they're not. They're not making me think great things about the jacket though. I'll take that off. So taking that off, and just got this t-shirt on with the wide leg trousers. These fit perfectly. They're not a pattern I would usually go for, but I don't hate them at all. I think what I don't like about the t-shirt is I like the way it covers my arms because I've got an arm issue, but I would prefer it like maybe there. I think it just looks a bit big. Yeah, so I'm not sure about the trousers. I do like them. Right, so last up is the dress, which, yeah, I don't know if it's a style I would normally go for. I normally go for things that are sort of a bit tighter round here, but yeah, I do actually like it. It's got a really nice like length on the v-neck, so just a little bit of cleavage. It's nice length on the leg, it's not too short. It's really like loose, so it'll feel really comfortable. Yeah, I think this might be a keeper actually. Quite like it. So I just thought I'd try on the jacket with the dress, and it's confirmed the jacket is no. It's just too boxy for me, it's not my style. I don't like the way it hangs down there. Actually, ironically, looks better on the camera than I think it looks like in real life. But yeah, so I think I'm going to keep the dress and the jeans. And I do like the wide leg trousers, but not enough to keep them, I don't think. So yeah, I got an awesome pair of jeans and I got a nice dress, so I'm very happy. Just excuse the state of me now because I've just got back from the school run, which takes me hours. But anyway, so I'm all hot and bleh. Makeup sliding off at the end of the day kind of thing. But yeah, I just wanted to say thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful. And yeah, if you want to try out Lookerio, I will put a code down below so you can have a try. Thanks for watching.